Yeah.
If you get 3 likes, we will go explore an abandoned factory.
Oh, fuck!
What's up, guys? Mutbean here. Will's not here for once. We've got an honest man. He's our Chernobyl tour guide. Shit. You remember Will's video? If we reach 80 likes, we'd go back in.
Stupid!
And look where we are. We're in. Had to go through a bitch and a half. I cracked my phone. And yeah, this is what we're scared about. So guys, Mutbean here. Today you'll be seeing my perspective of the abandoned factory. This is, what is it? Yeah, it's a pot. You'll be seeing my perspective of it. There is Will. Yeah.
Hi, Mutbean channel.
Hi. Oh my god, it's Will's channel. Yeah. What is it? Fucking. Yeah. What is it? This friendly neighbourhood tour guide, Finley. He's a G.
It's like gasoline.
Yeah. Wait, now it's water. Water. Should I fucking try and climb? I still can climb over.
This weren't there.
Yeah, that wasn't there. All these fucking bottles of water. Holy shit! Don't do that. Shall I take one? Yeah, fucking make them.
Wait. Yeah, the shovel's gone. That was the shovel.
Yeah.
Three bottles of water. Maybe someone lives here, homeless.
What? Yeah,
No
it
way.
was a homeless guy.
Water, is it cold?
Yeah.
Yes, freezing.
It's fucking fresh.
No.
Yeah. Wait.
I'm not fucking
Touching it. Right.
That wasn't there either.
What's it, guys? This is the other perspective. Hey, Will. Will's beautiful camera. Different chair. Yeah. Will! Will! Don't leave your fucking camera. What? Don't leave your camera. Yeah. It was directly in the middle where that bottle is.
In it.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yo, monies.
Oh, fuck, what are they? Yo, are these all coins?
Yeah. Yeah, like kid died in here. Like didn't he used to chill in here like
I wish
loads?
it was like non-stop.
Like it'll start whistling. Whistling. Up there's the bathrooms.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah, we are being up there. That's where the office is. Yeah, check West and I'm good at which okay. What a bad bitch. Fucking bad bitch. Don't copyright me.
Seriously? He just said that? I'm gonna copy strike this guy.
We normally got in through that wall. There used to be like a giant shutter, but fucking patched it. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell, footsteps. Wait, bro, it's just my imagination. Yeah. Everybody's been fucking trying to drop that. Wait for me. This is where the manager used to be. I was seeing. That's where the roof was.
I keep hearing things now.
But yeah.
Thumbnail time.
It's them. It's our ticket.
Alright, I need to like do a shocked face or something like that. Yeah, but the thing is, when we was in here, the balloon, it floated by itself.
I know. I didn't even put it there though. I had it in the corner.
Alright, get out, get out, get out.
I am.
That's fucking humane.
You can't get out.
That was man-made, that wasn't anything.
So guys, I'm up in here. This is the last one.
You know, for your YouTube video, do you want me to send you the footage?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll send you mine.
Yeah, I've got a mic enhancer, so it'll be able to.
Yeah.
Make a zoom in, isn't it?
Guys, this will be the end of this video. Yeah. If you could fucking feel our heart rate, it's going off the fucking charts.
I think I'm more scared than the balloon.
Yeah.
I was in there at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there was stones and that for
Yeah. And
and then the
plus,
balloon.
yeah.
And then
And
that one we saw.
Finley noted that he saw a figure at the door where our second escape was.
And then the
Wasn't that right, Finn? Fucking. Oh,
Do I have to bleep out the swears?
nah. If you want. If that thing you gotta be doing a lot of beeping. At the end, I was just
Got
fucking.
about 40 minutes fucking recording.
Yeah.
40 minutes of me fucking.
Yeah, but the thing is, when we was in here, the balloon, it floated by itself.